Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to see password on Facebook in case you forgot it. Now first is to open your Facebook account and let's check if you forgot your password. What are your options to see it again? So you have two options. First is to go to your Google account and then tap on your profile icon on the upper right and tap on your manage your Google account. Now from there, tap on security and then it will give you options here on how did you sign into your Google account, which is connected to your Facebook. So you can have the two-step verification. You can go through the process by typing in your password and you'll be able to check it and connect it with your Facebook. Or the next one, you can have the passkeys, the password, wherein you can save your Facebook passwords to your Google accounts, and that way it's easy for you to recover in case you forgot your password. And the second option is you can go to your Chrome and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right and tap on your settings, and then from here you go and find password manager. In here you'll be able to check all the passwords that you have kept with security over here. So everything is in here, the applications that you have saved your password, including Facebook. So that's how easy to recover your Facebook password in case you forgot it. Thanks for watching.